the things that you observe online about a lot of successful people, sports athletes, as well as actors is just the tip of the iceberg. If you have the sea like this, the tip is very, very small, and it is supported by a lot of big things beneath the waters. The thing is, like, people just see what they are today and they just assume that they are having a great life, they have been doing really good in their life. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot of things beneath that a lot of people fail to observe. There's a lot of hard work, sweat, uh, there are ton of failures, there are ton of like sacrifices, miscommunications, a lot of learnings which are beneath the water that we really fail to understand and fail to see. And it is really important, right? When you see someone really successful, I really feel it's learning from their failures than learning from their successes, because there is very less to learn from successes of theirs, because like you learn from the negatives, right? If you don't have those things in your life, you really don't advance. See, if you get a better version of the game, you'll be like, hell yeah, you have a lot of better features and you're just loving it. But how is that better feature built? It's just built because of the critics as well as the feedback on the previous feature. So you will have to see the exact scenario of what those people have done. It's just not like seeing them on the social media saying that they're having a great lifestyle, they are owning a private jet and everything. If I would have been in their place, it would have been really great. But you have to see beneath the waters. You will have to go deep in the iceberg. You just need to, you shouldn't see the tip of the iceberg. You have to decide everything that goes with that, and which they have worked for years together to get to what they are. So there are no shortcuts, guys. Everything is a long term game. So even if you have seen, there are entrepreneurs who have done and who have done really great at their 50s and 60s. So it's just a long time game which you have to play, and at the same time you will get hit hard a lot of times. But you just have to think of realities. I really feel that there are a ton of things to learn from the failure stories of entrepreneurs as well as a lot of successful people, because that's where you get to learn a lot of things. And just seeing the positive things and just getting motivated by them really doesn't make any sense. You need to really become realistic, understand what goes behind all of their actions and what had made them what they are today. You really have to see that before you say that उनका लाइफ तो बहुत आसान है, because they have all of this things already in their life. But there has been a point where they have struggled and put a lot of work, sweat. They had put a lot of sweat, work and action, which has led to what they are today. And whatever your thoughts are, put them in the comments below, and do like this video if you've liked it, and see you in the next one.